Hi, English learner. Welcome to Dad English.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Antony. Let's grow your real English together.
Today, we'll practice one key skill to improve your English.
Watch step by step. Let's begin.
Welcome back to Dad English.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Antony.
Today we are fixing your weekend English.
No more one-word answers.
We have 50 ways to talk about your plans.
Let's get started.
Antony, what are you doing this weekend?
I will sleep.
Don't use will. Use going to.
I am going to sleep.
Much better. It sounds like a real plan.
I am going to relax this weekend. If you are enjoying this lesson, please hit the like button right now to support our channel.
It really helps us reach more students like you.
Grace, do you have a big party planned?
No, I'm keeping it low-key.
Low-key means quiet?
Yes, relaxed, simple, no drama.
That is my favorite kind of weekend.
I am keeping it low-key. What is your plan for Saturday morning?
I am gonna sleep in.
That is the best feeling.
No alarm clock, just dreams.
Don't sleep until sunset.
I plan to sleep in on Saturday.
You look tired, Grace.
I need to catch up on sleep.
Like you are chasing the sleep?
It means recovering sleep I lost during the week.
I need to catch up on about 5 years of sleep.
I need to catch up on some sleep. Antony, are you an early bird on weekends?
No, I hate the morning.
I like to get an early start.
Why? Nothing is open at 6 a.m.
The sunrise is open.
I like to get an early start.
Grace, are you free Sunday?
No, I have to run errands.
Bank, post office, grocery store?
Exactly. All the boring stuff.
Being an adult is fun.
I have to run some errands. Your house is a mess, Antony.
I know. I'm tidying up on Saturday.
Tidying up sounds nicer than cleaning.
It means putting things back in their place.
Start with your socks.
I am tidying up the house. I have a mountain in my room.
A mountain?
A laundry mountain.
You need to do the laundry this weekend.
It takes forever to fold everything.
I am doing the laundry this weekend. Are you cooking this weekend?
First, I need to do a grocery run.
It makes it sound fast.
It's not fast. I spend 1 hour looking at cheese.
Focus, Antony.
I need to do a big grocery run. Grace, you are so organized.
I'm doing my meal prep on Sunday.
Cooking for the whole week?
Yes, it saves time on Monday.
I just prep a sandwich for right now.
I am doing my weekly meal prep.
Antony, who are you meeting? I'm catching up with an old friend.
That means talking about everything you missed.
Yes, we haven't spoken in 6 months.
Have a great conversation.
I am catching up with friends.
What are you doing with your sister?
We're just hanging out.
Doing what?
Nothing specific, just being together.
Hanging out is the best activity.
We're just hanging out at home. Are you hungry?
Always. Let's grab a bite.
That means getting a quick meal.
Burgers? Tacos? Pizza?
You choose.
Let's grab a bite to eat.
Grace, you are dressed up.
I'm having a night out with the girls.
Dancing and dinner?
Exactly. A fun evening in the city.
Don't stay out too late.
I'm planning a big night out. Why are you cleaning so fast?
I'm having people over tonight.
You are hosting guests?
Yes, my house must look perfect.
They are your friends. They don't care about dust.
I am having some people over.
Grace, do you like breakfast?
I prefer brunch.
Breakfast plus lunch.
It's the perfect Sunday meal.
Any meal with pancakes is perfect to me.
We are going out for brunch. Do you want to cook tonight?
No, let's order in.
Getting delivery?
Yes, I want food to come to my door.
Thai food or Italian?
Let's just order in tonight. Where are we eating?
I want to try out that new sushi place.
Try out means testing it?
Yes, seeing if it is good.
I hope they have forks. I am bad with chopsticks.
I want to try out a new restaurant. Antony, what are you cooking for the party?
It's a potluck.
Ah, everyone brings one dish.
I am bringing chips. It's the easiest dish.
That is very lazy, Antony.
We are going to a potluck dinner. The sun is shining.
We should have a barbecue.
Fire and meat. Man stuff.
And grilled vegetables.
If I have to.
We are hosting a BBQ this Sunday.
Anthony, did you see the new show? I'm going to binge watch it tomorrow.
Watching all the episodes at once?
Yes, don't call me. I will be busy.
Don't forget to blink.
I plan to binge watch a series. What is your plan for Saturday morning?
I'm going to hit the gym.
Why is everyone hitting things?
It means going to exercise.
I will hit the snooze button instead.
I am going to hit the gym. You need fresh air, Antony.
I'm going for a nature walk.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Just a slow walk in the forest. No running.
Enjoy the trees.
I'm going for a nature walk. Grace, do you play video games?
Sometimes, but my brother plays all weekend.
I'm having a gaming marathon.
Make sure you drink water.
My character drinks potions. I drink soda.
I'm playing video games all day. What are you reading, Antony?
I'm curling up with a good book.
Curling up sounds so cozy.
Blanket, tea, and a book. Perfection.
Enjoy your story.
I'm curling up with a book. Are you staying home this weekend?
No, taking a day trip.
Where do you go for just one day?
The beach. It's only 2 hours away.
Send me a postcard.
We are taking a day trip. Antony, are you traveling for your holiday?
No, I'm having a staycation.
A vacation in your own city.
Yes, sleeping in my own bed, but eating like a tourist.
That saves a lot of money.
I'm planning a staycation. I bought a lot of snacks.
Why?
We're going on a road trip.
Driving somewhere far?
Just driving until we find something cool.
Sounds like an adventure.
We are going on a road trip.
Antony, did you buy that expensive watch?
No, I was just window shopping.
Looking through the glass.
Looking is free. Touching costs money.
That is very wise.
I'm just window shopping today. Grace, do you know the new part of the city?
No, I'm going to explore the city this weekend.
Be a tourist in your own town.
Exactly. I might find a new coffee shop.
I'm exploring the city.
Antony, are you free?
No, it's family time.
That is important.
No work, just playing with my kids.
Have fun.
I'm spending time with my family. Pray for me, Grace.
Why?
I'm visiting my in-laws.
Are they scary?
Her father thinks I talk too much.
He is probably right.
I am visiting my in-laws.
What is your Saturday plan?
I'm taking my son to soccer practice.
Are you the coach?
No, I'm the taxi driver.
The most important job.
I'm taking the kids to sports practice. My house will be loud today.
Why?
My daughter is having a play date.
2 kids are louder than 10 adults.
I will hide in the garage.
My daughter has a play date. Antony, want to go to the movies?
I can't. I'm on park duty.
Watching the kids at the playground?
Yes, pushing swings for 2 hours.
It's good for your arm muscles.
I'm taking the kids to the park. Grace, are you relaxing?
Sadly, no. I'm catching up on work.
On the weekend? That is illegal.
I want to have an easy Monday.
That is actually very smart.
I'm catching up on some work. Antony, why are you painting birdhouses?
It's my side hustle.
A small business on the side?
Yes, I sell them online.
Good luck, entrepreneur.
I'm working on my side hustle. Grace, come to the beach.
I can't. I'm hitting the books.
Studying hard?
Yes, my English exam is coming up.
You already speak English, Grace.
I am hitting the books today. How are you feeling, Anthony?
I have the Sunday scaries.
Anxious about work tomorrow?
Yes, the weekend went too fast.
Take a deep breath. You will be fine.
I have a bad case of the Sunday scaries. What are you writing?
I'm planning the week ahead.
You are so organized.
It stops me from panicking on Monday morning.
I prefer to panic. It wakes me up.
I am planning the week ahead.
Anthony, tennis at 2 p.m.? Can I take a rain check?
Reschedule for another time?
Yes, my knees hurt today.
Okay, feel better.
Can I take a rain check? Grace, can you help me move my sofa?
Sorry, I'm fully booked.
Like a hotel?
No free time at all.
Okay, I will ask my muscles to be strong.
My weekend is fully booked. What time should we meet?
Let's play it by ear.
Decide later?
Yes, I don't know when I will wake up.
You are so unstructured.
Let's just play it by ear. Grace, are you climbing a mountain this weekend?
No, I'm taking it easy.
Finally.
Just gentle yoga and tea.
That sounds perfect.
I'm taking it easy this weekend. Anthony, put your phone away.
Why?
It's quality time.
Focusing only on the people I am with?
Yes, be present.
I want some quality time with you. I bought a hammer.
Oh no, what is the plan?
I'm starting a DIY project.
Do it yourself?
Yes, I am building a shelf or destroying a wall.
I'm working on a DIY project. Anthony, want an apple?
This tastes amazing.
I went to the farmer's market.
Fresh food from local farmers?
Yes, it's better than the supermarket.
I'm going to the farmer's market. Where are you going, Grace?
To the museum.
To look at old things?
To get some culture.
I have culture. I have yogurt in my fridge.
I'm visiting a museum. Anthony, where's your wife?
She's having some me time.
Time alone to recharge?
Yes, no kids, no husband, just peace.
Everyone needs that.
I need some me time. Grace, your skin looks great.
I had a pamper day.
Pamper?
Face masks, massage, luxury.
I need a pamper day. My face feels like sandpaper.
I am pampering myself today.
Wow, 50 scenes.
That is a lot of weekend plans.
I hope you found a phrase for your life.
Please subscribe if you learned something new.
See you next time.
Goodbye.